If you're tired of your regular oatmeal routine, then this purple blueberry oatmeal will definitely break you out of it. It's super easy to throw together, but it's still full of flavor. And I'll be showing you how to make it, whether you have quick cooking, rolled, or steel cut oats on hand. So to make it, you'll need 1/2 cup of blueberries. I use frozen blueberries because they're readily available and they're really convenient. For the best flavor, make sure you buy wild blueberries. Cultivated blueberries just don't compare. The texture of the wild blueberries will also be better because they're smaller. You'll also need 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of water. It's really easy to remember if you're using quick or rolled oats because it's 1/2 cup each of blueberries, oats, milk, and water. Now, if you're using steel cut oats, you'll want to increase the water and the milk to 3/4 cup each. Okay, you'll also need 1 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, honey, maple syrup, or sweetener of choice. I personally prefer my oatmeal less sweet, so I like just 1 tablespoon of sweetener. But if you like yours extra sweet, then feel free to increase the amount. 3 tablespoons would be way too sweet for me, but it might be just the perfect amount for you. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You could substitute almond extract here if you prefer. The cooking process is really simple. Just place everything in a medium saucepan. Set it over medium-high heat. Bring it to a boil and simmer until cooked, stirring often. Now, if you're using quick oats, this will only take about 2 to 3 minutes of boiling. Rolled oats will take more like 5 to 7 minutes, and the steel cut oats will take 20 to 25 minutes. All the different kinds of oats work great for this recipe, but I was surprised to find that I actually liked the quick cooking oats the best. By the way, I like to purchase sprouted oats. Sprouting helps to make whole grains more nutritious and easier to digest. I get mine from a company called 1 Degree, and I'll have those linked below. Now, I love the purple color of these oats, but if you prefer more traditional oatmeal, then you can cook the blueberries, sweetener, and vanilla separately, kind of like a compote, and then swirl that into the cooked oats. If you want to mix up the flavors a little bit, you could grate in some lemon or orange zest for a pop of freshness. Okay, on to serving. Of course, you can enjoy this as is, but I personally can't have oats without some added richness. Butter or cream pair really well here. You could also opt for almond butter or peanut butter. More topping ideas include bananas, sliced almonds, crunchy pecans, chia seeds, flax seeds, shredded coconut, etc. What I love about this oatmeal is that it's doable for a weekday meal, but it's definitely not boring or tasteless. If you're looking for more easy and nutritious breakfast ideas, then make sure to check out this video where I show you how to make 3 Greek yogurt bowls that contain 20 grams of protein each.
Oh.